All right, guys. So now, when it comes to getting channels 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, I'm the greatest of all time. This channel actually got 4,000 watch hours with just one single video. So you can see right here that the watch hours happened overnight, right? So we can see 29th March here, then you can see 30th, 3,000 watch hours within just one night, overnight. You understand? Now you may be thinking this guy is bragging too much. I am not bragging. I know what I am doing. Now, in the last 7 days or in the last week, I've been able to help over six channels get their 4,000 watch hours, and three are also, monetized. Right now, for the 4,000 watch hours, some were able to achieve it in 14 days, 3 days, and some even in just overnight. You understand? Now, I don't want to talk long. Let me show you proof that what I'm talking about is true. After that, we'll talk about the rest, right? If you check my YouTube studio right now, this is one of the channels I worked on. Okay, so you can see I posted this video on 28th of March. So 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. As of the time of recording this video, it is second. So first, second. So let's say 5 days, right? So let's see something right here. So this video got 12,000 views and 3,500 watch hours, 3.5K watch hours from just one single video. And this is organic views. You understand? So just look at it here: suggested browse, YouTube search, etc. Okay. Now let me also show you another one. I got 2,000 watch hours from 6.5K views. Okay, so when that 2.1K watch hours to this one, which got the 3K watch hours, that means more than 4,000 watch hours. You understand? Less than 1 week, I've been able to achieve this. Now, relax. I will show you what I did, okay, so that you can also follow the exact process, okay. Also tried it on this particular channel as well. So you can see I posted this video on 28th of March, right? 28th of March. So let's see how many watch hours I got 3,800 watch hours. 3,800 watch hours with just one single video. So when I'm telling you that I am the greatest of all time when it comes to getting channels 4,000 watch hours, I know what I'm talking about. So this is it. You can see it right here. I posted it on 28th of March. This is just, recently. Yeah, it's just recently. And then today's date is, 2nd April. You understand? So you can just calculate the dates. You understand? And if you check here, you can see that there was a spike here. So this one actually happened overnight. You can see there is a very sharp spike here. So it happened just overnight, right? Okay, so 3.8K watch hours. So that means 200 watch hours more to make it 4,000 watch hours, right? So I posted another one, and then you can see 700 watch hours. So this my client here has got 4,000 watch hours in few days. You understand? And you can do the same. In fact, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step. Okay. Let me also show you another evidence, right? Now, at this point, if you haven't liked the video, please make sure you like the video because there's going to be giveaway in a section of this particular video. So make sure you like the video and then you drop a comment that explains you are the greatest of all time when it comes to getting channels 4,000 watch hours. You understand? Yeah. So that is it. And then subscribe as well. Okay. So I'll randomly pick someone from the comment section and then give the person free 4,000 watch hours, right? All right, so let's look at this channel also. So you can also see it right here. So this one, less than 1 month. Okay, this one took less than 1 month. Just able to get 2.4K watch hours, right? So you can see 17,000 views and then 2.4K watch hours. Let's see if it's organic watch hours. All right, so it's organic watch hours, suggested browse, etc. You understand? So 100% organic watch hours. What I mean by organic watch hours is that it's from YouTube itself, YouTube recommendation. Okay. Then I posted another 1 year. Let's see how many watch hours it got. I just want to show you the evidence, you understand, before I tell you what I did. Okay. Then I posted another 1 year, 1.9k watch hours. So when you add the two, it is more than 4,000 watch hours. You get me? Yeah. So this one to organic, how viewers found this video, YouTube recommendation, you understand, suggested browse, etc. You understand? So that is a very, very simple. All right, so now you may be wondering, Prince, how have you been doing this? Right, so what I do is actually, very technical. Okay, however, it is not difficult. Okay, and because of that, I have actually created a step-by-step guide, okay, where I'm going to show you how I do this particular watch hours, how I help these channels to get 4,000 watch hours. And already over 60 people have tried it and it has worked for them. Okay, so all you have to do is to just watch the video. You get me? You watch the video and then you follow me, you copy me, you do exact thing I did, and it's going to work for you. Okay, so now, all right, so this is the step-by-step course that I'm talking about. So you can see we have introduction, understanding the trick, upload and optimization. After the watch hours trick, I also compiled all these into 48 minutes, right? So the video is 48 minutes long, and all you have to do is to watch it, and then you are going to achieve the result. Now this is how it looks like when you get to this particular course, right? So I've actually did this for you. So you see, this is how it is. So all you have to do is to just watch the video, right? All right, guys, so congratulations for buying this particular. Yeah, so all you have to do is to watch this particular video. When you are done, you move on to next, right? You can see I've move on to next, and then when you go to next, you watch the next step, and then you do it, move on to the next step again. You understand? No one will ever show you this. Okay, in fact, this is a gold mine. Okay, once you are able to learn this, you can apply it on all your YouTube channel. I have two offers. The first offer is that maybe because of your work schedule and your busy schedule and other things, you will not get time to do it. Okay, so for those of you guys, I am going to do it for you personally, as I did for these my students. You understand? And the price is $150. You get me? Because I'm going to spend my energy, I'm going to spend my time to be on a channel and do it for you. The price is $150. You get me? However, the first 10 people who are going to contact me, I'm going to give it to you for just $100 instead of $150. Okay, yeah. So all you have to do, if you want me to do it for you, all you have to do is to click on the second link in the description. Okay, so now, for those of you who can do it yourself, those of you who want the course, watch it and do it yourself and apply it on all your channel, that one is also just $50. $50 to monetize all your YouTube channels, to get 4,000 watch hours on all your YouTube channels and monetize it. You understand? Yeah. And also, for the sake of this video, I'm also doing promo. The first 10 people to contact me are going to get it for just $20 instead of what, $50. Okay, let me break it down. If you want the course, you click on the first link in the description. If you want me to do it for you myself, you click on the second link in the description. If you want my phone number, you click on the third link in the description. Okay, yes, that is it. Very, very simple. Some people also need to get the 4,000 watch hours for free. Okay, so I'm going to my last video. So I am going to select Lucky Dunya, right? So Lucky Dunya, you've won free 4,000 watch hours course from me. So contact me right now and let me give you access to the 4,000 watch hours course for free for commenting here, right? And then um who again, let me choose another person. I'll give it to Cool Wati, right? Cool Wati, yeah, I'm gonna give it to you. So you've got free 4,000 watch hour course from me. So all you have to do is to watch the videos and apply it on the channel. You're going to get the 4,000 watch hours, right? So Cool Wati, just contact me. Thanks for watching, and then see you in my next video. Goodbye.